welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So this has been my go-to favorite mascara in the last couple of months. So I've been wearing this non-stop, just even for casual use and even for like all the wedding looks. I'm sure you guys would have seen this in some of the vlogs and even makeup looks that I've done on Instagram. So this has been my go-to. I got this I think a little before my wedding. So I'll review this and also show a demo of this, and I'm sure a lot of you guys would have tried this, but this one's actually been one of those rave mascaras, and I've heard a lot of international bloggers talk about it, and then when it launched I immediately had to get it. So this is the mascara that we're talking about. It has this really pretty pink luxurious packaging. It's how it looks like. I'll be doing a review and a full-on demo, and let me show you guys how the wand looks, although I'm sure you guys would have seen it. So this is how the wand looks. So this is that hourglass shape, and this actually works miracles, let me tell you guys. So this is no doubt a game changer. It gives a quick fix and makes lashes look so voluminous, and because of the brush and the bristles, because of its wavy and hourglass structure, it gives a super voluminous look, and I really like my lashes to look super voluminous. So whether I'm just heading out casually, or if I'm going for a party or wedding, like throughout my wedding and my brother's wedding, all the occasions, this is the mascara that I was wearing, because it just gives that really nice voluminous lashes, and it is such a change. I will show you guys in the demo, and with just one coat you can actually see a difference. So that's just one coat, and you can actually build it up, and you can separate your lashes and build it up. And this is my other eye where I haven't applied my mascara, and this is the one that I did a one coat on. You can actually give it a dramatic effect. It would look even more voluminous just as you keep building it up. So with another coat, actually it gives an even more dramatic effect. So as you can see, you can build it up the way you would like. And this also has castor oil, rose oil, corn flour extract, and it is also waterproof. So it gives that fan out effect, and there's no smudging or clumping, and the best part of it is the brush. So because of the wavy fibers compared to the normal straight bristle, this one actually holds the formula better. So this way you'll be able to coat each of the lashes, and with just one coat over the lashes you can actually see a very voluminous effect. So because of the wavy fibers you get that lengthening effect, and the hourglass shape is actually best to add volume to the lashes. So that's with the mascara, and that's how it looks. Basically you can see a clear difference in before and after. So yeah, this has been my essential and go-to mascara. So most of the days I just put on a lipstick and wear the mascara, add a little bit of tint on my cheeks, and probably use a powder foundation and a little bit of a nude lipstick and mascara. That's it. So you can use it for your regular use, or you can use it even when you're heading out for parties or weddings. This has been my go-to all throughout my wedding and my brother's wedding. For all the events, this is what I was wearing, honestly. And I think I've shown this in a couple of videos also. You would have seen me using this all the time. So that was the demo, you guys, and let me know what you guys think. So I have a couple of videos to shoot right now, so after that I'll again do an update and show you guys how the lashes look. Hey guys, I just finished shooting a bunch of videos. I was about to remove my makeup, and then suddenly I realized that I did not show you guys the after shot after using it for a couple of hours. So I have worn this for about 8-9 hours now. I've removed this side a little bit. I've just started removing it, but you can see over here on my left eye the mascara is still on fully. Here I just started removing it. I haven't removed it completely, but yeah, you can clearly see the difference, and yeah, it hasn't budged at all. Let me just zoom you guys in. Yeah, So in zoom also you can see nothing has budged at all. This is waterproof mascara, so yeah, it is not gonna budge. You can wear it for the longest time, even if you're heading out for like a party, or you're heading out to a wedding, or it's your own wedding. You can still wear it because yeah, because that's how it is. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how it looks. So as you can see, it lasts really long and it's waterproof, and it's one of the best mascaras out there. And this has been my go-to mascara since a couple of months now. And like I said, you can actually wear it for regular use, or even for like parties, or for a full-on wedding look also, which is amazing. So it'll give you like a voluminous, nice, almost falsies kind of an effect. So it's definitely value for money. So it's priced at 7.99 rupees, but it is always on discount whenever you see it on Nykaa or Amazon. So yeah, definitely get your hands on L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara, and like I said, this will be your go-to mascara as well once you try it on. So I've been absolutely loving it. I'll leave the link in the description box in case you would like to check it out, and if you would like me to do like a makeup tutorial on a quick simple look, do let me know in the comments below. So that was it for today's video, guys. Let me know what other products you would like me to review, and if you've used the mascara, then let me know in the comments below how you guys have been enjoying this. And I'll see you guys for the next one, and don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for quick reviews and styling videos and all that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.